Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, this is our presentation for the first class. Alright, so I'll decided to do a pre-recorded for you, and you can watch this video on my YouTube channel. Okay, the content of my presentation today, I will discuss about what is actually the course objective of this grammar. Alright, ENG 1483. Alright, the learning modes that we are going to use for this course. Alright, the timetable, assessment, a reference and test book, and then a Q&A session. Alright, the course objective of this ENG 1483. Alright, on completion of this course, students should be able to first identify and use the different part of speech correctly. Second, to apply simple and progressive tenses in the affirmative, negative, and interrogative form correctly. Basically, it's tenses. Alright, and third is to identify the rules of subject verb agreement, or known as SVA, and use them correctly in sentence construction. Okay, the learning mode that I'm going to use for this course. Okay, first we have synchronous class, or in timetable they put SY and C sync. All right. Usually in synchronous class I will do live class, or maybe pre-recorded like this, or maybe we'll do some sort of personal consultation, and it's actually the time for you to complete your assignment. Okay, for asynchronous class, basically it's homework. I will give you the online task, or maybe it's a time for you to complete a rap chat, okay, our language project, and again it is a time for you to complete assignment that be given by the lecturer. All right, the timetable for this course, you can focus on ENG 1483. All right, usually we will do on Sunday from 2 to 4. Is actually synchronous class. I may do a pre-recorded or maybe live classroom. All right, Monday same time. Okay, again I will do whether I will do a live classroom, or maybe pre-recorded, or maybe it's time for you to complete your assignment or rap chat. All right, and then we have a morning class Tuesday from 8:30 to 10:30, and we have asynchronous classes. Right, Thursday, basically asynchronous class, we don't have any class, but I just give the link or homework for you to complete. Right, we are going to discuss detail about this timetable. All right, so I hope that you can ask a question on Sunday. Assessment of this course, we have certain assessment to be done. Okay, first we have tests, which is test 1 and test 2, contain of 15% each. All right, and then we have language project, which is virtual rap chat, 30%, and we have an examination 40%, total up to 100%. Like I said in the briefing before this, you have to pass at least 50% of the carry marks. All right, the grammar test 1, okay, in the form of multiple choice question or MCQ, we have fill in the blank and matching. All right, content of 15%. The topic will be covered for this test 1 is first is articles and determinants. Second is noun. Third is pronoun, and lastly is verbs. Okay, basically we will finish around week 1 and week 2, and test 1 will be given in week 3, inshallah. For grammar test 2, we have a multiple choice question ABC, all right, and then we have sentence completion, and fill in the blank is quite similar to test 1, and the percentage is same, which is 15%. Topics will be covered for test 2 is first is adjective, and then we have adverb, we have preposition, and we have conjunction. 4 topic will be taught in week 3 to week 4, and the test will be given maybe on week 6. All right, this is very important assessment, which is 30% of your carry mark, which is rap chat. What you have to do is you have to complete 2 rap chats in the meeting chat. All right. Okay, you can go to your Microsoft team, and they are rap chat 1 and rap chat 2. All right. Uh, the process of this assignment completion, you have to use Rhyme Zone as your learning tool, because there's a function as dictionary, and also if you want to find the rhyme words. And then two rep chats contain of 20%, and then your rep, you have to record your rep at least 16 bars, and you have to publish on YouTube. So you have to submit the link of YouTube for me to evaluate, contain of 10%. I'm going to discuss it further in the next lesson. All right, what is the marks, the percentage of mark for each, what is the criteria or aspect that I'm going to evaluate. And for final examination, we have three sections. We have part of speech will be asked in an MCQ, multiple choice question, or ABC. We have tenses, we have to fill in the blanks. They will give you a root verb, and you have to decide what tenses we have to use. All right, and then you have analyzing error on the subject verb agreement. You have to identify the errors, and then you have to rewrite the correct sentence by using correct subject verb agreement. Okay, need to remind you the reference or textbook that we have to use. It's a compulsory, it's a printed module. You have to buy just 15 ringgit. IEP grammar module. Basically, it's just note for you to refer, and it's very useful for your test and also your final examination. So hopefully you go to Shopee to buy online this book, and this is actually including postage. All right, and this module contain of 60 around 70 pages of notes, cover all the topic that you will be asked in ENG 1483. All right, Q&A session will be done in a live classroom on Sunday. Okay, I hope based on this presentation, you can ask any question related to this course. Please ask, because of I'm going to directly answer your question. All right, so see you when I see you on Sunday. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.